Yo, what's really good? It's the one and only Ace to the Boogie, and I'm coming to you with another review. Now, in this video, I'm reviewing the Nike Vomero 18. Oh yes, we're going to go over the look, the fit, the sizing, the performance, and I'm also going to compare them to the Nike Invincible Run 3. Remember, when it comes to kicks, clothes, or cologne, I'm going to get you in your zone. Stay tuned. Right, and welcome back, man. So right here I do have my box. I did order these off of the Nike.com website, and yeah, you know what time it is, man. I got my box cutter. We're gonna go ahead and give it a good old slice down the middle. Peel back, gang, you know the vibes, man. We're gonna go ahead and peel it back, and then we also have to peel it back. All right, man, so here we go. The Nike Vomero 18s. Let's take a look at these joints, man. All right, we got the Vomero 18 in the white, black, and electric green. So I did pick up the, I like to call these the Volt colors right here, but this is the Volt colorway. And let's take a quick look at these. Oh yeah, they're looking very good. So let me put this to the side. Yes, I had to get the Volt green because I definitely like the bright colors. You know, when you're running, you kind of want to wear those bright outfits. Hopefully, you know, you're very visible. People will be able to see you. And I do most of my running on the streets, like road racing type stuff. Not racing, just road running, let's say that. But I usually do most of mine on the street, so I definitely like having a bright colored shoe. And let me tell you first off, the reason why I picked these up is because I initially started running, and I don't run fast. I'm more of a jogger, if you feel me. I first started with these, and these are the Nike React. So these have a lot of the React foam. So very nice running shoe. But I started off with these, put a good amount of miles on these joints. Then I went and got the Nike Invincible 3, which are these joints right here. And so these have the Zoom X cushioning. As you can see, it's very large. And right here for the Vomero 18, this has both. So this has the React X cushioning as well as the Zoom X cushioning. So I figured it's almost like a combo of the two shoes that I've run with previously. So it's only right for me to go ahead and grab these and try these out. Also, as you can see from the bottoms, man, I put some work in. It was time for some new running shoes, man. Summer is coming, so it's time to get in shape, kick it into a higher gear, man. But let's just go ahead and take a quick look at these again, man. We have that all, I believe this is a fly knit upper right here, but we have the white on the whole upper portion. We do have the Volt green sole. Like I said, very nice, very bright colorway right here. On the inside, you can take a good look. It says rolled, and I believe the other shoe does say racing on the inside. Let me see. We have rolled on one insole, and oh, it actually says Vomero. If you can see the inside, it does say Vomero on the other inside. When it comes to the traction on the bottom, we do have the traction where you need it most, which is in the heel and in the forefoot. So right here in the front, we have a lot of traction pods right there. And that's where I actually have a lot of my, where I land. And then also for the heel, we have a nice, very thick, thick rubber for the heel strike right there. Just overall, a very clean shoe. I got these in a size 10, which is my preferred size. So when it comes to every, like Jordans, my other running shoes, I always go with the size 10. So I stuck with my true size on the size 10 right here. And like I said, this is almost a combo of the two shoes that I've run with the most. So let's go ahead and put these on feet. We'll be able to see what they feel like. Are they snug? Are they loose? we'll go ahead and get into that next. And right here I am putting the shoes on. As you can see, we have that heel tab right in the back. The shoes overall, like I said, very clean. That tongue very nice and cushiony right there. If you look at the size, there's also a lot of cushion there as well. I mean, overall, I really do like the look of the shoe. But when we come to the fit is also A1. I went true to size and I didn't even have to tie these up. They had a nice snug fit. If you do like a lot of room, you could go a half a size up. But for my shoes that I run in, I do like to have that more of a snug fit. We do have some good cushioning on the bottom as well, as you can see. Very cushiony right there. But you know, I'm always anxious to go ahead and put them on for an actual run, you know, because that's what they're made for. They are running shoes. So I do like to get my run on in them, you feel me? I think I'll be going for my usual 2.5 miles. All right, so I'm about to get started on my run. And I'm going to let you know how they feel, man. How they feel on the actual pavement, man. Because like I said, I do most of my running on the streets, you feel me? So we're gonna see what they feel like. As you can see, I got them on, looking good. So you're gonna look good when you have these on, that's one thing for sure, man. But let's look at the performance. Right here I do have the shoes on, you know, going for a light jog in the neighborhood, you know, just a couple of miles, because you know, we're just trying to be consistent with this running thing, man. But let me let you know how I feel about the shoes. All right, and I am back from my run. Shoes very nice. Now my overall assessment of the shoe is a very nice shoe, definitely a good daily running shoe. Very good cushion on these, and I really like them. But I will say, if you're into like the easy running, you know, super max cushion, I would definitely still go with these, because these, the cushion as far as the softness is like unmatched. These joints are just A1. These, I feel like maybe I might have to break them in, because you do get some cushion on this, but you do get the stability also. So if you want kind of like that perfect blend, you will go with the Vomero 18, which is a very nice shoe. But I think me personally, for the way that I like to run, because I'm more of like a jogger, like a cruiser. I'm not trying to break no records. I just want to get my little, you know, get my couple miles in, you feel me? So I'll probably run with the Invincible 3s a little bit more, but these will definitely go in the rotation. I mean, they look good. They got a good stack. It's easy to run in these joints, man. But I just personally like the max cushion of the Invincible Run 3s. So I would definitely recommend these, because these do come off at $150, the retail price, and the other ones, the Invincibles, I believe are $180 retail, even though those you can't find on sale now. But yeah, man, overall a very good shoe. I do recommend it, and I think for the $150 price point, these are definitely worth it, man. But yeah, don't forget to like this video, comment, subscribe to the channel if you haven't already. You know I got more heat coming. But it's your boy Ace to the Boogie, and I'm out.